They're going to be here any second. Firefly, eat them up.
I despise you, Wonder Woman!
Now come on, do we have to get personal?
How would you like a hot foot?
No thanks.
Not had enough yet? I'm just getting warmed up. Time for you to go down in a blaze of glory.
It's worse than we thought. He's using fire-based puns.
Will you be serious? We need to take this guy out.
Don't you mean put this guy out? Aw, man, now I'm doing it.
Oh, you've got me all fired up. Getting along like a watchtower on fire.
There has to be something around here we can use to defeat Firefly.
We need to start fighting fire with, water, I guess.
The future's looking bright. Very
Before I make it. I make you stop.
My precious flames! You ruined them! I'll get you for this! You know what they say? It's better to burn out than to fade away. I don't understand what's going on here. Can't be. No! Oh, no! Stop it! It's not my bath night! Oh!
Too bad. I think he was warming to you.
Seriously? Are you proud of what you just said?
Not really.
Maybe we can use the water cannon to get past this flaming wreckage.
Again! Don't you know this kitty has claws?
Cheetah, I implore you. Abandon your evil ways and join with me in sisterhood.
Sorry, but I already have new friends, and they like being bad. You're not going anywhere!
Ow! This cat isn't playing nice! Bad kitty! This fight'll be over.
You're not going anywhere!
Ow! This cat isn't playing nice! Bad kitty!
You're not going anywhere!
Flash! Get her off me!
Stop before I make you stop.
You're not going anywhere!
Cat isn't playing nice! Bad kitty!
You're not going anywhere!
Cat isn't playing nice! Bad kitty!
You're not going anywhere!
Cat isn't playing nice! Bad kitty! Oh, great. How do we get her down now?
I might be able to deflect that laser beam towards her with my bracelets.
Sure beats a bowl of milk in a really long room.
I'll make you pay for that! You're not going anywhere! I've got you now!
Ow! Cat isn't playing nice. Bad kitty. Is what I am. I am hot.
My lasso will force you to tell the truth. Now, do you really hate me?
No. I really wish we were friends.
There, see?
But I think I look better in my costume than you do in yours. And I don't think Superman likes you as much as you like him.
Okay, that's enough.
You know, I was just chasing Killer Croc through a sewer.
Why didn't you catch him?
Well, he caught me off guard. But I'm ready this time. Every time. I guess we'll have to take the stairs then.
Robin, what spaceship have you ever seen that has stairs?
Good point. We need to override the elevator controls. Quick!
Something tells me this vent will be rather uplifting.
Yes, and the air pressure should lift us upwards too. Wait, I get it now.
Nice. Now I can use my jetpack to reach the controls.
Batman took my jetpack away after he caught me pretending to be Superman once.
My circuitry isn't compatible with this access port.
But my Robin drone should be. Prepare to be jealous. Yes, it worked!
Cool. From bird boy to bellboy, right? Let's get after those creeps.
Someone's coming, Grundy. Let's hide and get the jump on these losers. Grundy's good at hiding.
Sounds like they're planning a welcoming committee for us.
Ha! Talk about your spoilers. Let's crash this surprise party.
Isn't this the part of the surprise party where they turn the lights on?
It's a localized power outage, or they really like building suspense. How's How's that illumination suit of yours, Robin? It might be what we need to light the way. Night vision is offline. I'm gonna need some light to see what we're doing.
It's too dark to see anything. I should put my illumination suit on. Even the Batcave is brighter than this place. Better switch to my illumination suit.
How's that illumination suit of yours, Robin? It might be what we need to light the way.
That guy asked for it. It's underappreciated sight.
Night vision is offline. I'm gonna need some light to see what we're doing.
It's too dark to see anything. I should put my illumination suit on. Even the Batcave is brighter than this place. Better switch to my illumination suit.
How's that illumination suit of yours, Robin? It might be what we need to light the way. Night vision is offline. I'm gonna need some light to see what we're doing.
Too dark to see anything. I should put my illumination suit on. Even the Batcave is brighter than this place. Better switch to my illumination suit.
How's that illumination suit of yours, Robin? It might be what we need to light the way. Night vision is offline. I'm gonna need some light to see what we're doing.
Hope that is up. Awesome as ever.
Too dark to see. I should put my illumination suit on. Even the Batcave is brighter than this place. Better switch to my illumination suit.
How's that illumination suit of yours, Robin? It might be what we need to light the way. Night vision is offline. I'm gonna need some light to see what we're doing.
It's too dark to see anything. I should put my illumination suit on. Yikes! He's too big for me to fight! Cyborg! Help!
My suit's extra large mode should even the odds a little.
Oh, you find Grundy? Grundy mad!
Booyah! Now to find Croc.
He must be here somewhere. I can smell him.
That hurt my ears, you little...
What ears? Go get him, Cyborg!
Cyborg, it'll help!
What's your game, Luthor?
He thought if he controlled the Watchtower, Earth would have to give in to his demands to be president.
Shut up, Joker. Of course, the binary fusion cannon.
Yeah! The bouncing futon thing!
Enough, Joker.
Oh, but Patsy! I'm just getting started! Welcome to the Joker Surprise Show, Patsy! I'm glad you brought a super friend along. Oh, don't be such a spoiled bat. Let's see who's behind door number 1.
I don't like surprises.
Is this the end for our heroes? Tune in, same Joker time, same Joker channel!
Quite a showman, this Joker arch-villain of yours.
You want to trade?
I'm good.
Those drones were only rusted metal, Batman! Time for door number 2. How delicious it is! Batman and Superman taken down by the Clown Prince of Crime! deserve identical clothes. Let's bring out our final challenge!
Like my latest upgrade, Superman? Now let's see how you handle a fair fight. You're not going to escape this time, Superman! I won't rest until the world is rid of menaces like you, Superman! Fun, Superman, but I'm afraid playtime is over.
Hey, I remember that outfit. Electric suit, right?
An electroconductive discharge suit, actually. It allows me to...
Like I said, electric suit. An EMP should shut that suit down. It's got no power.
I can power the EMP up, but I need the charge from that platform, and I can't get to it.
Leave it to me!
Thanks, I guess.
Well, looks like our work here is done.
Perimeter alert! Object approaching.
What is that? It is the object I sent Green Lantern of Sector 2814 to investigate.
Greetings. I am Brainiac, an android, and collector of knowledge and civilizations. I have overthrown the rulers of my home planet of Kayu.
and you want to join the Justice League. Well, leave your resume with my assistant Angie, and we'll get back to you if there's an opening.
I have no wish to join the Justice League.
It was worth a shot.
Although the threat your vessel poses is minimal, I cannot allow you to interfere with my plans.
And what are your plans, Brainiac?
I have traveled the universe collecting things, using my shrink ray to miniaturize cities from every galaxy.
So you're like an evil space nerd.
But collecting cities has lost its fulfillment. I have decided to expand my collection. A city is no longer enough. I now want to collect worlds.
Oh no. To the weapons lab. It may hold the key to defeating this Brainiac.